What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with more model unboxing review videos. This time we have two beautiful models. In front we have the two NG models KLM 787-9 Dreamliners from the October 2022 releases. Super excited to have both of these. I've been waiting to get a KLM's Dreamliner for quite some time now, and not only in the regular plane livery, but also NG, you know how they like to do sort of double releases, like a special and then a plane. Well, they did the 100th, the small titles, 100th year anniversary 787-9. So I decided to pick both up because both have been to LA. Crazy enough, this aircraft, they released this in the October 2022 releases. And this aircraft was actually delivered just after the model was announced. It was delivered in October of this year. So that's pretty cool. It's brand new. It has been to LA already. I've checked. I think it's been like once. This aircraft has been a couple times. Kilo Delta, but as I say, Kilo Lima is brand new, which I think that's pretty cool. So yeah. Anyways, let's get right on into it. As you can see, these two boxes, they kind of like match up, which is really nice. So obviously this one has like sort of the red fading on for that sort of 100th anniversary title there, which is pretty cool. But I love how the box art, you know, it kind of flows, which is really nice. We're going to go ahead and start with the 100th, and then we'll go to the... Actually, we'll start with the plane, and then we'll go to the 100th after. So I'm going to put that off to the side. Here we go. Here's the box. Obviously, really nice box art, as always. This is the name of the aircraft, Muscari. I honestly, the other one is Martin Bloom. I don't want to butcher. I'm gonna just not say it, but yeah, that's the name of the aircraft right there. Registration Papa Hotel - Bravo Kilo Lima. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Super excited to have this. I do need a -9 still. Hopefully NG will pull through with that at some point. But yeah, there's the card. Alright. There's the model. Super excited. Two of these in the collection. It gives a little bit of variety, you know. Alright, we'll go ahead. Just easily, slowly pop it out of it. Ooh. Oh, it's stuck in there. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. There we have it. Whew. Alright. Beautiful. Doesn't look like there's any issues, which is always a good thing. Love to see it. Alrighty. Take the card out to the side. Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful NG models KLM 787-10. Alright, let's just readjust the camera here slightly for us to zoom in. Take a look. Alright. This is just a regular livery, so there's not going to be a whole lot to go over. But we'll start in here at the front nose section. So, great details, great mold, great shape and everything. Looking really, really nice. Cockpit windows and whatnot. Got the little Sky Team logo there. And then you have Air France, KLM right there. E-tops there on the gear door. Got the L1 door with some fantastic details all around there. All the little markings like the little pitot tubes, markings and static ports, etc. Moving along, then you have the name of the aircraft and the KLM titles, Royal Dutch Airlines. Just kind of moving along, a whole lot of other like fantastic details there, little static ports and this and that. Right along the fuselage, you have the L2 door there, you got the antennas at the top, the Wi-Fi dome. Got the beautiful engines here, KLM logo on it, looking really nice. Very nice looking on the inside there, some good detail. So moving along, the wings are very, very nice. Very nice, not flexed or anything. Looking fantastic. Take a nose view here. I'll zoom out a second there. You can see the engines. I don't know why it's not focusing here on the nose. There we go. Very, very nice. Alright. Moving back along, got an L3 door there at the back here. Emergency exit sort of door there, the registration there, Papa Hotel Bravo Kilo Lima, the Netherlands flag and the EU flag, and then the bulk bin door there at the back, L4 door, and the 787-10 there, and then the KLM titles on the tail. Their logo, very, very nice. Good detail at the back here, looking really nice. Horizontal stabilizer and APU, the cone there, looking really nice. This side is only just the main baggage door at the back here. Everything else is pretty much the same. And you have the forward back cargo door right there. So very nice model. Super excited to have this in the collection. And we'll go ahead and we'll put this off to the side, and then we'll grab the other aircraft. So I'll slide that out the way there. Alrighty, so here we have now the 100th anniversary version. Interesting enough, so I'm pretty sure they had one where it was like the big like 100 titles across it. This just has a smaller one, and I kind of like that a little bit more. I think it was Kilo Alpha or something that had the big huge titles, and I'm pretty sure like Phoenix released that version before, but it's hard to get, so it's expensive. So I'm really happy that NG has released the Dash 10 and two variants of it, you know, special and normal, and I was able to get both. So here we go. This is obviously celebrating the 100 years of KLM, one of the oldest airlines to operate with their original, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open her up. There's the card that just kind of fell right on out there. I'll get that later. No problem. Alrighty. So here's the model, looking really nice. I was excited to have more models. Alright, this one comes out a little bit easier. No issues. Perfect. That's one thing I forgot to show the other one, the under the belly, but that's okay. We'll show them soon here. Alright, here we go. Here's this one. So let's go ahead and take a look. Looking very, very nice. The only difference with this one now, obviously, is that the name is slightly different, and the titles, that little sort of special 100th titles, 100 title. But yeah, here we go. The nose cone again, fantastic details here, just moving along. Got all the same details as the other one. And then here's that sort of 100th symbol right there. Looking really, really nice. Registration. Ooh, focusing on wingtips for some reason. That's weird. Alright, Papa Hotel Bravo Kilo Delta EU flag, the Netherlands flag. Bulk bin door. The Flying Dutchman. I forgot to point that out on the other one. And then you have 787-10 as well on this side. But it's just crazy how long these aircraft are. They're really long. Looks really cool though. Very nice. This side, just the same thing. So a very, very nice model. There's good details. All the antennas are there, top and bottom. Looks fantastic. We'll take a look actually at the bottom here. It's just plain on this one, and the same with the other one. Just a plain bottom with the registration on the wing. So that is gonna do it, guys. Two stunning models. We gotta be careful here. They're so long that they're gonna, I don't want them to hit each other. Alright, two stellar models by NG. Alright, there we go, guys. Two gorgeous models. Super excited to have these in the collection. Highly recommend them, or recommend that you can get them if you can. I know they're probably sold out most places by now, as I'm pretty sure these are very popular models, given that there just hasn't been a good release of these in a long time. Because the Phoenix Smalls version, really not that great. These, absolutely fantastic. So yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed. like and subscribe, smash that notification bell, and stay tuned for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.